So guys, we are going to create these social media icons that will help your users on the website to share the URL to the different social media platforms. And when the user gets the mouse cursor on these social media icons, they are going to scale up little bit, and that is how you can provide a good user experience for your users. So guys, let us move to the VS Code. So let us create another folder over here. Since it is the 6th project, we are naming it as 06 underscore and then we will say social media icons in this case. And then guys, inside this folder, let us create two files, that is index.html file, which will help us in order to create the web page. And then apart from this, we will also create the style.css file that will help us in order to provide the different CSS properties. Now guys, over here inside the index.html file, let us create the HTML template over here, and for the title part we will say social media icons. So guys, basically this is the title, and then we are going to link the style.css file by using this link : css emmet abbreviation, and then we are going to provide href it is equal to style.css. Now guys, apart from this, in order to create the social media icons, we can include the external style sheet over here. So as you can see, we are going to make use of this boxicons.com website, which helps us in order to provide the different icons, and basically we are going to make use of this style sheet. So let me just copy this link. I will provide both these links in the description section below. So guys, over here, after copying the external CSS file, we are going to paste it inside the head section of the body tag over here. So basically this is the link that is going to be used in order to make use of the different icons that are present on the website. So guys, over here what we will do is, first of all, we will create a div tag with the class container over here, inside which we will have different social media icons. And then in this case we are going to have the a tag. So over here we have the a tag in this case, and let me just provide the class as link in this case. And then after this, inside the a tag we can have the I tag. Now guys, how you can display the links over here? So let us open this website, that is boxicons.com. So basically this is the website that we are going to use, and then you can see that there are different icons you can provide on your web page. So guys, over here, let's say first of all we want the Facebook icon. So the moment you search for Facebook, you can see different social media icons that can be used on your web page. So let's say we want to make use of this particular icon. So when we click on this, additional information will be provided on the right hand side. We need to switch to the font section over here, and as you can see, this is the link that is provided. So let me just zoom in little bit so that you can see properly. So basically this is the font, and this is the tag that we are supposed to include. So let me just click on this, and basically it will get copied on the clipboard. So over here inside the a tag, we are supposed to provide this I tag over here that we have copied, and basically it is having the class with this particular value. So guys, what this will do is, it will display the icon on the web page. So let us check this on the web browser. Let me just save this file now, and let us open the live server over here by clicking on this go live button. So as you can see, this is the icon that is getting displayed over here on the top left. Now guys, similarly what we will do is, we will make use of the other icons as well from that same website. So let me just copy paste these lines of code over here, and simply instead of Facebook, we are going to make use of the other social media icons. So we have Twitter over here, and then we also have YouTube in this case, and then let's say we have Instagram as well. So over here we provide the Instagram. So basically you just need to change the class name in this case. You can also come over here on the box icons website, and then you can provide the icon that you want to display. So let's say you want to search for YouTube over here, so YouTube icon will be displayed, and then simply you can copy paste this I tag from this particular website. So guys, basically we have included 4 icons over here. Let us add another one, that is Snapchat as well. So instead of Instagram, we will say Snapchat in this case. It is best practice to copy this I tag from this website so that you don't get any issues while you are renaming the class names over here. So guys, let me just save this file now, and when we see the same web page over here, as you can see, these are all the icons that are getting displayed in this case. Now guys, since we have included all the social media icons inside the a tag, that is why we are getting the underline, and all of them are having the color that is blue color in this case. So what we will have to do is, we will provide the CSS properties for all these classes that we have provided over here. So first of all, let us copy this container class class in this case, and then let's provide some CSS properties over here to the container class. So first of all, we will say display it is equal to flex, and then we want to get it at the middle of the screen. So let's say we provide justify content as center over here. Let me just save this file now. As you can see, all the icons are now getting displayed at the center of this page as far as horizontal alignment is concerned. Now guys, let us also provide certain margin from top so that we have some spacing from top of the page as well. So we provide 50 pixels of margin from top over here. Now guys, let us provide certain CSS properties to this link class as well so that the properties will be applied to the icons. So over here we provide dot followed by the class name, that is link in this case, and then what we will do is first of all we will provide the width and height for this particular link class. So let's say we have the width of 30 pixels over here, and also we will provide the height of 30 pixels in this case so that we get a square box out of this link class over here. And also we want to make this link as a circular shape link. So what we will do is simply we will say border radius it is equal to 50% in this case, and let us temporarily give some background color over here so that we can identify the area of this class, that is link. So let me just save this file now. So if you notice, we have all these circular shaped link over here. Now guys, inside this circles we want all these icons to be present at the center of the circle. So what we will do is again we will say display it is equal to flex this time, and then we will say justify content it is equal to center so that they are at the center as far as the horizontal alignment is concerned, and then we will get them at the center as far as vertical alignment is concerned. So we have to make use of the align items over here, and again we will make use of the center value. So as you can see, all the icons are now at the center of the circle in this case. Now guys, we will have to remove the underlines that are coming over here. So simply we will say text decoration it is equal to none, and also we will change the font color over here. So let's say we provide the color as white color in this case. So simply we provide the color as white. We need to have certain dark background color in this case. So what we will do is let's say we provide the dark background color, that is black this time. So when we save this file, so as you can see, the background color of the circle is black in color and the icons are displayed as white in color. Now guys, apart from this, we will also have to provide certain spacing in between all the links. So let us provide the margin for all the links over here. So we simply have to provide the margin CSS property, and let's say we provide 10 pixels of space from all the sides. So when we save this file now, as you can see, all the icons are now separated with certain space in between them. Now guys, instead of giving the black color as the background color over here, we need to provide the colors that are actually present on these websites of the social media icons. So what we will do is simply we will comment out this line of code, that is background color over here, and we will provide the inline style property in this case. So basically inside the a tag, which is having the class link over here, since all the links will be having different background colors, so we are going to provide the style attribute in this case, and let us provide the background color CSS property. And the Facebook social media icon is having some version of blue color over here, so let us set that as well. So this version of blue we have set already. So let me just save this file now, and you can see that Facebook is now having the blue color as the background color over here. The other icons are not visible right now because their color is white in color and the background color is also white in color for now. So guys, let us set the background color for the other social media icons as well. So I'll quickly make the changes over here. So as you can see, we have provided the background colors for all the links over here. Apart from this, for the social media icons, that is Instagram and Snapchat, we have provided the icon color as black so that it matches well with the light color background over here. So let me just save this file now, and when we see this page on the web browser, as you can see, this is the way that the icons are getting displayed over here, which is giving it a decent look after we have provided the background colors for the icons and having the background as a circular shape. Now guys, when we hover over this particular social icons, we want to scale the icons to some extent. So what we will do is simply inside the style.css file over here, let me just provide the link class in this case, and then we will provide the hover pseudo class over here, and simply we will say transform in this case, and then we will say scale by 1.2, that is the measure by which we want to scale the icon. Let me just save this file now, and now when we get the mouse cursor over here, as you can see, the social media icons are increasing its size along with the background over here. Now if we want the smooth transition, what we will do is simply inside the link class over here, we will provide transition it is equal to all, so that whatever changes happen to the link class, all of them will have the transition. And then apart from this, we will have to provide certain timing. So let's say we want 0.5 seconds seconds, during which the transition will complete. So let me just save this file now. And now if you see the transition, as you can see, it is a smooth transition which is helping the icon to increase its size along with the background that we have provided. So guys, in this way we can create the horizontal social media icons that can help the users in order to share your link on the different social platforms that they are using. Now guys, apart from this, since we have provided the display, it is equal to flags value, and by default the flags direction is horizontal. In this case, that is the row direction over here. If you want the social media icons to be displayed in the vertical direction, simply what you have to do is inside the container, after display is equal to flags, you can provide flags direction over here. By default it is row, but this time we can make it as column so that all the items are getting displayed in the vertical direction. So when we save this file now and view this page on the web browser, as you can see, these are the social media icons that are getting displayed in the vertical direction over here. So guys, in this way you can change the direction of the icons that are getting displayed based on your project requirements. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video in which we are going to create more HTML and CSS projects. So stay tuned.